Hello, I am Frazelma Lynn, your personal parenting coach, and I'm the founder of FTP, Frazelma Teaching Parents. I am a retired teacher and school administrator and a parenting liaison. Now look, I am your personal parenting coach, and I want to invite you to a webinar that I am hosting on April 28th at 6 p.m. Central Time. Because there is a concern with several parents that I've spoken with. And the concern is when parents go out of their way to do above and beyond for their children, they feel like they're not getting a positive return. Honestly, we have to talk because parents need to know when to pull back. That's the name of the webinar, Know When to Pull Back. Parents, let me tell you a secret. You don't need to do everything for your children. So please join me April 28th, 6 o'clock Central Time, where we will talk about knowing when to pull back because we don't need to do everything for our children.